The highly awaited Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to launch next month, and fans are buzzing as leaks reveal exciting upgrades in screen quality and durability. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's 6.9-inch QHD Plus screen is a standout feature of Samsung's Ultra series. Reports from Android Authority suggest the phone could hit a peak brightness of an incredible 3,000 nits. This means the screen will be super clear even in bright sunlight, making outdoor use easier than ever before. Samsung is also stepping up durability with next-gen technology. Tipster Ice Universe shared that the S25 Ultra will debut the second-generation Corning Gorilla Armor glass. This advanced glass not only offers stronger protection, but also cuts down on screen glare, making the display even sharper. Together, these improvements take brightness and toughness to the next level. Samsung is getting ready to reveal the Galaxy S25 series at its big Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd, 2025. Until now, there wasn't much info on when the phones would be available, but we finally have some updates. Rumors suggest pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 will start on January 24th, just 2 days after the event, and end on February 3rd. Those who pre-order might get their phones as early as February 4th. This schedule is about a week earlier than the Galaxy S24 series, which launched on January 31st this year. It seems like Samsung is speeding things up to stay ahead of the competition. Leaker Yogesh Brar shared the expected specs for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which include a 6.8-inch QHD LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a quad-camera setup featuring a 200-megapixel main sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, and a 10-megapixel periscope lens, along with a 12-megapixel front camera. The device will offer up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte of storage, One UI 7 based on Android 15, a 5,000 mAh battery, and 45 watts fast charging. A potential Galaxy S25 Ultra color has sparked debate among fans after a Samsung leaker revealed an image. While the source identified the shade as blue, another insider argued it closely resembles gray, fueling discussions as the highly anticipated Unpacked event nears. Ice Universe recently shared a post featuring the supposed blue variant of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. However, the color's appearance leans more towards gray, prompting Jukan Losrev to respond with the term gray to highlight the apparent mismatch. As of now, the original leaker has not clarified the discrepancy, leaving enthusiasts eager for further updates. A few years back, the Qi 2 wireless charging standard was introduced, incorporating Apple's MagSafe magnetic alignment system for improved convenience. Recently, reports surfaced suggesting that the Galaxy S25 might adopt Qi 2, but there might be a twist. Just days ago, a leaked list of official Galaxy S25 accessories included a magnet case, fueling speculation that the Galaxy S25 would support Qi 2 wireless charging. However, uncertainty remained about whether the phone would also feature MagSafe-like magnetic alignment through Qi 2. Now there's some clarity on the matter. The Wireless Power Consortium, WPC, which oversees the Qi standard, has confirmed, via Android Police, that any device bearing the Qi 2 logo includes the Magnetic Power Profile, MPP, a magnetic alignment feature inspired by Apple's MagSafe technology. Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S25 series on January 22nd, and a recent report indicates that the entire lineup will exclusively feature Snapdragon processors. According to ET News, the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra will all be equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This aligns with recent trends, as Galaxy S devices in previous years have primarily used Snapdragon chips. Earlier speculation suggested that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would use a Snapdragon processor, while the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus might feature Samsung's Exynos 2500 chip. However, reports now suggest that Samsung may have opted for Snapdragon chips across all models due to production challenges with the Exynos 2500. The Galaxy S25 is anticipated to be unveiled late next month, with a teaser for Samsung's upcoming flagship phone already leaked ahead of the official announcement. Renowned leaker Evan Blass at EveLeaks has shared what appears to be Samsung's launch invite for the Galaxy S25 series. The teaser not only offers a glimpse of the phone's corners, but also confirms the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd, 2025. Samsung is reportedly working on the Galaxy S25 Slim, a flagship device designed with a focus on reduced thickness. The phone is expected to feature a large display, a capable camera system, and impressive power specifications. A recent leak has hinted at the potential dimensions of the Galaxy S25 Slim. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Slim could measure between 6mm and 7mm in thickness, making it the thinnest Samsung flagship to date. This would surpass even the Galaxy S25 set to launch next month in terms of sleekness. For comparison, the Galaxy S25 is rumored to have a 7.2mm thickness, slightly slimmer than the 7.6mm of the Galaxy S24. Leaker at Jukan Los Rey shared a tweet on X featuring Spiegel's liquid crystal case for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with its packaging. The case image reveals a circular pattern in the center, hinting at support for magnetic, MagSafe-style wireless charging. The box confirms this with a label stating MagFit for MagSafe. This aligns with certain rumors about the Galaxy S25 series, including claims that the new devices will lack a magnetic power profile. In preparation, Samsung is reportedly finalizing its launch strategy for the new flagship lineup and other devices this week. Leaked images of the Galaxy S25 Plus, intended for the US market, have surfaced online, offering a glimpse of one of the upcoming models. A notable detail in the images is on the right bezel, where the power and volume buttons are typically located. What initially appears to be another button might actually be a dedicated mmWave antenna. This addition aligns with the growing adoption of mmWave technology by carriers worldwide, many of whom rely on Samsung's network equipment for enabling this feature. Samsung appears to be doubling down on this capability with its latest flagship devices. Samsung Galaxy S25 series design and features leaked ahead of launch. With the Galaxy S25's launch just a month away, details about Samsung's upcoming flagship lineup have surfaced. Leaks reveal the design, stock wallpapers, and color options for the high-end models. Renowned leakster Evan Blass at Eve Leaks has shared images of the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with the official names of all color variants in the Galaxy S25 series. Based on the leaked renders, the Galaxy S25 Plus retains its rounded corners and slim bezels, much like its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Plus. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a departure from the Galaxy S24 Ultra's sharp-cornered design, featuring slightly rounded corners instead. This design tweak on the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to enhance comfort and usability. The renders also provide a glimpse of the series' stock wallpapers, highlighting Samsung's sleek aesthetic. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is here to snatch crowns and leave competitors in the dust. If you thought Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra had slim bezels, think again. The upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra is breaking all the rules, and leaked photos and videos are giving us a glimpse of a phone that looks like it's straight out of the future. Slimmer, sleeker, and seriously stunning. This device is stealing the spotlight from every flagship out there. And hold up, here's the real tea. At Universe Ice, a trusted name in leaks, just dropped a bomb on X, formerly Twitter. According to him, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's narrow bezel exceeds all current mobile phones, including the Xiaomi 15 and iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's right, Samsung isn't just catching up, it's sprinting ahead. But the design story doesn't end there. Let's talk colors, because Samsung is serving luxury this time around. Blue, a dreamy light blue back with a silver frame that whispers elegance. Black, sleek black on the back, paired with a shiny silver frame for that classic look. White, minimalist vibes with a white back and light silver edges. Gray, a sophisticated gray with a hint of gold that screams premium. While most leaks have focused on the Ultra variant, the base Galaxy S25 has also seen its fair share of pre-release attention. Battery. Similar to the Galaxy S24, the Galaxy S25 is rumored to feature a 5,000 mAh battery. Cameras. The base model may include a 50-megapixel primary camera and retain the 12-megapixel selfie camera from the Galaxy S23 and S24. Design. While the Galaxy S25 is expected to look quite similar to the S24, it might introduce a unique camera ring design. Reports suggest the rings could feature a lip and be thinner than those on the Ultra model, measuring just 1.8 millimeters. Processor. The Galaxy S25 may feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC. The finalized list of colors for the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra has surfaced, including standard and online exclusive options ranked by production volume. Standard colors for the Galaxy S25 Ultra: titanium black, titanium silver blue, titanium gray, titanium white silver. Online exclusive colors for the Galaxy S25 Ultra: titanium jet black, titanium jade green, titanium pink gold. According to DSCC Ross, production volumes follow this order, with titanium black being the most produced and titanium pink gold having the lowest availability.